Now, in this program, any resemblance between the people you see on the screen and real living people is purely intentional. Because, in fact, they are real, and it's our pleasure to catch them in the act of being themselves.
Hey guys, Rogue Nation here with you today. We got a video coming to us out of Portland, Oregon. It's from the YouTube channel Screw YouTube with 366 subscribers. Now, what we have here is Miss Piggy putting her hands on a citizen because she makes up things that aren't true. You know, makes up laws on the spot, that sort of thing. The thing we're all used to seeing. Luckily for the gentleman, the supervisor comes in and saves the day. Supervisor was very professional, I think, in this instance, and is how an officer should behave when he engages with the public, who is, of course, the purveyor of the party, the supplier of the fun times, right? It's all of us out there working that's providing these fun times for them. So when they interact with us, they should interact with us with a media of respect. So with that being said, guys, check out the video. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys on the next one, because there's always going to be a next one, guys.
What is this about? Is there any reason for them to be blocking that lane except to just be like assholes? Just like a car wreck? It's not going private property. What happened?
Someone got hit.
Oh, by a car or something?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's terrible. No, I'm good.
You're good, Jack?
Yeah.
Hey, get away from the car, dude. Go. Get away from the car.
I'm fine.
Get away from the car. Get away from the car.
Committing a crime?
Get away from the car.
Get away from the car.
Am I committing a crime?
You don't need to be videotaping the car. Get away from the car.
I can videotape. It's public.
Get away from the car. I'm asking you to do that right now.
Okay,
Just go.
I just respectfully decline. Just checking out the car.
Respectfully move from the car.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry.
Go
Calm
away.
down.
It's
Calm
a crime.
down.
Go away.
Come. What's a crime?
You cannot
Filming in public?
photograph people's our computers.
We have computers.
Anything the eyes can see? I
Nope,
can videotape.
You cannot.
You can walk
It's
right
time
now.
That's
to
how
go.
that goes.
This is a crime scene.
Don't touch me.
Then,
Don't touch
then
me.
leave.
Away.
I have committed no crime.
Then leave. We're asking you,
You have
to
no
leave. This
authority
is a crime
unless
scene.
I've committed a
We're
crime.
you're in a crime scene.
Tape it
so
off.
Exit. We don't have to.
Where's the tape?
It's
Dude, why do
detained
you
by
gotta be
us.
like that, man? We're just
I'm
asking you
why
nicely.
do you gotta be like
Just
that?
don't
I'm
work.
doing nothing wrong. I have
We're
committed no
asking you to
crime.
leave. You're in a crime scene. Would you like to be detained?
Would you like to put up some tape?
No, I don't
So
have
the public
to.
know? Here, I'll be on the sidewalk, which is public.
Then go.
I know that is
Get
a
out
private.
of the crime scene.
Where's the tape?
My God.
Put up tape.
No, I don't have to.
I mean, you do if you want me to not stand where I please. I can stand where I please in public. It's a sidewalk.
We're just asking not to
This is a
videotape the
medical
inside of our car.
emergency.
Why do you have to be so difficult and be so hostile? I'm not
Because
doing
we asked
anything
you to move
wrong.
away from the car.
And I
you
respectfully
didn't.
decline. That's what an ask is. When you ask, you
We
can
did.
expect
Okay,
a
it's time to
no
go.
You can-
or a
We can
yes.
play the dick game all you want. That's fine.
That's very rude and unprofessional.
I don't care.
What's
Just
your
like you,
name and
so
badge
take the
number?
law. Don't have to give it
Name
to
and
you.
badge number?
Don't
Not
have
part
to
of your
give it.
policy of the Portland
Nope.
Police?
Because you're not. This is not part of your thing.
So you're in your official duties?
I am.
And your name and badge number?
Don't have to give that to you, sir. Time
Don't
to go.
have to give it.
You don't. You are being recorded.
All right. I would like to submit a public records request.
Go ahead. You have to call records.
No, I can do it in person. I can do it in
Not with
person
me.
verbally. You are a public employee. You have to take it or you break the law. Hey, you are quite professional.
If you don't mind, if you can just wait over there, I'm sure somebody's gonna come want to talk to you if you want to talk to us. We're just trying to make sure.
I was really just kind of checking stuff out. You know, like when I came up, I was like, "Hey, what's going on?" And I really appreciate
I
you
get it.
like being
I
like, "Oh,
understand.
guy got hit." Yeah, dude, it's terrible. I mean, what they just did was like totally unprofessional and really rude.
Well, yeah, if you
And they
just wanna
won't
wait
even
over
give me
there-
their names. Can I have your name and badge
Sure.
number?
Right there. Give RGEBARA 63452.
Thank you. Very
Right.
professional.
If you wanna just
should
wait over
learn
there-
from this guy.
Just wait for us over there, all right? And then we
Okay.
can get to you. so.
Well, can you give me your name and badge number, please?
Hauser, right there, I believe.
Uh huh.
63215.
And what's that officer's
You
name?
can ask her.
Okay, can I
number.
submit
know
a
her
public
numbers.
records request to an employee right now?
You can.
Verbally? I would like her name, badge number,
I don't
I
her
don't know
date of
badge-
hire,
I don't know
her
badge
salary.
number.
We
Her
don't-
name is on her.
Well,
her
I'm
badge.
submitting a public request to you,
I
and
don't
it's
have her badge
we
number.
don't-
I
we
can
as
don't
a
have
something
as
I
a
don't
public
know.
employee, you
Okay.
have to take the request, and then you go submit it to where you need to,
We can
and then
play
you
this
get it
game
back
all
to
you
me.
want. I don't know her badge
I'm not
number.
playing
I
a
can't
game.
give
I'm
you.
talking about my rights and the law.
And you asked my badge number. You asked his badge number.
Yeah.
We provided that. I
Very
don't
nice
have
and
her number.
cordial.
You wanna
Yeah,
wait
she
just
wouldn't
over
give
there?
it to me, so
You
now
wanna
I'm
wait over
submitting
there?
a public records
Okay,
request
you wanna wait over
verbally.
there?
If you don't take it, that's breaking the law.
You can wait over there.
Do you want me to make up a number? Because I don't know her badge number.
Well, I'm submitting a public records request right
You
now
want
to
me to
a
make up
public
a number? I
employee
don't know her
on
badge number.
you're on duty as a public employee. You
Yeah.
have to take
I
a
don't
public
have that
records request.
information. What, I can't,
I'm not
make up a
asking
number.
for it right now. I'm giving you a
just
public
did.
records request.
Okay.
So you have,
And
I think,
I've asked-
5
we-
or
we
10
asked you
business
to
days to
kindly
get it to
step
me
away
by
from the car
law.
and not videotape the.
Yeah, you
the
kindly asked. I
information.
kindly declined.
Okay,
And
I'm-
she touched me,
okay.
which is assault, because I didn't do anything
I'm
wrong.
declining
I
to being
broke.
able to give you a number that I don't know, so I'm not able to give that number to you. I gave you my number. That's what I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm submitting a public records request formally at the moment to public employees. I would like the following information. Her
we
name.
can't give you that. We
You-
don't
you-
have it.
No, but you submit
So,
the public records
we don't-
request,
we don't
and
submit
then
stuff
they
like
get that
that.
back. You have to as a public employee.
If you want
That's
to
the
wait
law.
over there,
That's the law. I would not break the law if I were you. It's not a big deal. This is not like a pissing match. Like,
I
we can just
provided
be
you my
professional.
information,
And,
that's the information
and
I
thank
know.
you for that.
Yeah, you're
And thank you for not touching me like she did.
Okay, yeah, you bet.
Because I don't like to be touched.
Well, I don't like
Unless...
people videotaping the information we have on our computer screens.
But
either,
there's nothing you can do about it
do that.
except close your computer. That's the thing you can do.
I can't.
You have to create the privacy. Because you know, like anything in public that I can see, I can
Sorry, man.
videotape.
I'm glad I
That's
give you
the law.
I'm glad I give you some content.
I hope you do better next time. You're doing good kind of pulling back and being a little better, but that last comment was pretty rude.
Egregious to you in the first place. I just asked you to step away from the car, right?
And I said no.
Okay. And I kept
What?
telling
How
you-
egregious
I
is
kept
that?
telling you to step away.
Isn't it egregious to just say
Back
no?
and forth. You said no. I said step away.
Well, maybe I can ask you, give me $50. Give me,
Yeah, okay,
give me
okay.
$50. Oh my God, is that a commander, lieutenant? police for you. That one guy was cool. He was able to hold his shit together, but those other two, I'm not so sure about the other two. The supervisor was just here. I wonder if this is him here.
How goes it?
Pretty good.
Any questions that I can help you with?
Yeah, that lady's name and badge number.
The officer over there?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I can get a card for you that has her name and badge number on it.
that would be great.
Yep.
Yeah.
Anything else I can answer questions about what's going on, or?
No, one officer was really great, and he was just like, "Oh, guy got hit," and I was like, "Oh man, that's terrible."
Yeah. Sounds like you got.
This guy's kind of touch and go, but she actually touched me, which is technically assault. I didn't do anything to break the law, and I don't like to be touched if I'm not breaking the law. So
It's understandable.
once I get her name and badge number, I'll probably submit a complaint.
Okay. Just for your information, I guess, just so somebody maybe doesn't pick at you and make fun of it. It's not technically assault. Assault, you have to have some kind of protracted injury of some sort. It'd be more like harassment would probably what you look for.
Okay.
So
Oh, that's good to know. I like that.
just letting you know.
Yeah, state to state's
I know
different.
States
Yeah.
have like battery, for example. We don't have that. It's not a thing here.
Uh-huh.
You know, other things have like brandishing, like fire. We don't have that. It's called menacing. So it's just different term labels.
Okay.
So I like to let people know what to, that way somebody's like, oh, you don't know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. You know.
Hey, thanks for that.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that,
It's
man.
your right to know
Yeah.
what, you're talking about. So
Uh-huh.
let me get you what you need. She's out of here. Oh, I can get it for you. She'll go to the hospital. Oh, she'll go to the hospital.
Okay.
I'll get it for you. 1 second.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the professionalism.
You good, right? You got Emmy's taken care of? Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
We'll be out here in 2 seconds.
I wasn't trying to get in a grudge match, but
No. I hear you. I hear you. Totally good.
yeah, I gotta say, like, I really appreciate good cops. It's a hard job, and I think just some aren't as well trained to interact with the public under the circumstances of an event like this, and that's part of what I'm out here for, is just to like see how they're doing, try and help them along, really. But yeah, thanks again for that correction on what statute that might be.
Yeah, basically harassment's like any kind of unwanted physical contact. Somebody comes up, they push you, they poke you, whatever. It's like where you're not injured, but it's you didn't want the contact, right?
Right.
Harassment can also it's kind of, I don't want to say redundant, but there's different levels, like harassment at physical level, harassment of like somebody's like pestering you or texting you over and over
Like
again.
yelling at you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So there's like a verbal harassment, so to speak, like it's more called telephonic harassment. But there's a bunch of sub caveats basically on like certain things can qualify into this broader term of harassment. Within the assaults here, I don't know how long you've been in Oregon. Assault 1, 2, and 3 just vary based on either the weapon or method used, say gun, knife, fist, and then the level of injury you sustained. So that those both have to be like you have to rise to a certain level to move it up one.
Awesome. I feel like I just got a little mini law school lesson. I really appreciate it, man.
I mean,
this is great because I'm a learner. I like to learn.
No, I hear you.
And
I mean, you live here. You at least should be able to know, what the laws are. And
right, I'm just a few blocks from here, and I'm like, oh, what's happened to my neighborhood?
I hear you. Did you move here recently, or you've been here a while?
I've been in Oregon since like 2008.
Okay.
But I've been
here in Portland though. Or let me, because you say you live like in this area recently?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, I've been in the Portland area kind of on and off since like 2012.
So you should probably see
the
shift of how it's been different times. So.
Yeah. Portland's gone through some real highs and lows.
Yeah. So I think we're on the upward trend, hopefully.
I think so too.
But craziness happens at all hours and times, right?
Yeah. I mean,
just be careful out here. It can get a little wild.
Yeah. Well, and for better or worse, there was only up to go from 2020.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
You can't go much lower than that, hopefully. So this is me, and then on the back, that's her last name, Cavalli Singer, and it's 59104.
Okay, man, I just really super appreciate it.
No problem. Hey, you have a good day, my friend.
You too, buddy. Bye-bye. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how a good cop, that guy right there, I'm definitely getting a accommodation, but not the officer who just touched me for no reason and threatened to detain or arrest me. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? How quickly? Don't look at her purse. Starting up my laptop. Brr.